Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Till now you are seeing DDL creation means table creation and the pre-validation steps before loading the data into the database or before doing the transformations. We extract the data and do the pre-validations. After that we are seeing the transformations. What are the transformations we need to do as per the requirement, and we see the database load. Once our data is loaded into the database load, okay, we need to verify our data means the source data and the database data both are equal or not, means like we need to do the sampling or we need to do the testing part. Those we call it like a post validation. In post validation part, so here now I'm comparing my data, source data and my target data here is present in SQLite 3 database. Now we will see to read the source data. I have the data in my CSV file. So first I will read the data from my CSV file. To read the data I need to import pandas as PD. Okay, and after that I need to read the file. First I want to take the file name. Okay, file name here I need to take from here. Okay, I have the file name. Data from df1 equal to pd dot read csv, and the file name here I have the file underscore nm. We will see I'm able to read the data from the data frame 1 or not. Okay, now I have my source data. Now I want to read the data from the database. Okay, to read the data from the database, no need to write all the methods again, like no need to write the connection and no need to create the cursor. Okay, what I will do here, I will reuse my code. So I have the code like db load db underscore load dot py code. In that code I have the methods like connection method and fetch data method. So with the help of these two methods, what I will do here, I will read my data. Okay, I will read my data. Okay, so what I need to do here, I need to import the class from the db load. Import db underscore load. Okay, now I need to create the object for the db underscore load. Database db is equal to db underscore load dot class db load. Okay, I have the class db load. So class I need to make like a method, and now I need to create the connection and the cursor. Connection and cursor is equal to db dot, I have the connect method. So with the help of that connect method I'll get the connection and the cursor. So we will see here I'm able to get the connection and the cursor or not. Okay, first I'll comment out my print statement. Okay, see, I have the connection, SQLite 3 connection and the cursor. Both are initialized. Okay. Now I need to, now I have the cursor. Okay. I need to fetch the data from the SQLite 3 database with the help of the cursor. In my dbload method, I already have the method fetch data method. Okay. I will reuse that method here. Okay. Records is equal to db dot fetch data, and here I need to pass table name and the cursor name. These are my table name and the cursor. Okay, we will see I am able to read the records or not. Okay, just I'm doing the print statement. See, I have the records data. What I will do now, I will compare my data frame 1 and this records output. How I need to compare? I need to make these records into another data frame. Data frame dft is equal to pd dot create, sorry, not create, in PySpark we will use the create pd dot data frame of data equal to records, comma, columns equal to, here I'm using data frame 1 columns. Okay, now I will print my data frame 2. Okay, now I have the data. If you see, I have the data frame 1 data and the data frame 2 data. Okay, now I need to compare both the data frames. How I need to compare? Data frame df is equal to pd dot concat df1 comma df2. Okay, and if I have any drop duplicates, I want to delete those drop duplicates. Okay, see, we'll trying to print the data frame. Okay, and I don't want to keep the duplicate data. Okay, keep equal to false. Okay, see, my data frame is both are same. Actually, data frame 1 data and the data frame 2 data both are same. So that's the reason here it is giving that empty data frame. So I don't have the data, just it prints the columns. Or else instead of using this concat method, we have the comparison method also. Okay, compare method. Df is equal to df1 dot compare df2. Okay, we will see the output. See, it is showing that empty data frame and it contains no columns and the no index, like means the comparison is true, so we don't have the data. If the comparison is false, then we have the data with null values. Okay, um, so like this way we will validate our data after loading the data into any database. We call it like a post validation step. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.